I am touring the home at 1402 Brantley Road in Kannapolis, North Carolina. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, built in 1938, has 1,852 square feet, and it's priced at $329,000. So I cannot turn on the lights because they're not on. I could not get into the front door because it's stuck. But once you walk inside the house, you are here in the kitchen. The kitchen has some pretty tile. I will admit, the tile is pretty. Cabinets seem to be original. In a really dark blue grayish color. And then we walk through and we're into what appears to be the dining room. Nice hardwood flooring. And then here's a second door entryway. And this could be like a family room, maybe a formal living room. And you hear the floors, right? Okay, because when you walk around here, let's see, here is a few slopes in the floor as well too. So here's one bedroom here, right? And we're back into the hallway. Here's the bathroom. Let's see what's behind this door. Okay, here's a linen closet. Here's the bathroom. Here's a little cubby with some shelves right there. Okay, we're back in the hallway. It's behind curtain number 1. Okay, I don't know what they would use that for, but that's behind the curtain. We have a door here and a deep closet. Could be a coat closet, could be some storage for, I don't know, Christmas trees, shoes. And then we're right back where we started from. So this is like a separate living area. And we're right back to the kitchen and the back door. Now that door right there leads to the basement, so we'll go take a look at that later. But let's head on upstairs and see what's up there. Okay, so once we get up here, there is a door that's been left open. We have a loft area here. The floors are like this older wood. It looks like it's been painted white. So we have a little room here. It's cute. It could be like an office space. There's the steps we just came up. It could be like an office space or kids' playroom. Then we have a full bath here with a stand-up shower. And to the right, when we come up the steps, there's this little room here, lavender. It has carpet. And the sky is blue. Look like it could have been like a little girl's room. That's what that looks like to me. And the bricks here look shiny, like they were shellacked or something. Looks a little different. Okay. And we walk here. Oh, that's a floor's kind of weak right there. Okay, so we're at this cedar wood closet right here, right? Remember, I can't turn the lights on because the owner had them turned off. Okay, and then we have another room here and a little nook right there. Okay, there's a dip right there on the floor. Okay, so now we're going back downstairs. So remember, sometimes little dings in the floor and squeaks like this are expected with the house this old. It's almost 100 years old. Okay, so We're back downstairs and we have this area here. We're gonna take the step up here. The ceiling is really low. So I am 4'11" and see, I can stand on my tippy toes and reach the ceiling. That's how low it is. So we come here and here's the laundry room. So somebody's husband would be like, yeah, I can't do laundry because I'm too tall. And they could totally get away with it. Up there is the attic space. We're not gonna go up there because it looks a little spooky. Okay, so we're coming back down the steps. We wanna make sure that this door is locked here because remember I had a hard time trying to get in it. Make sure that's locked. And we're gonna take a walk down here. This is the basement area. And the steps, they don't look too sturdy, but let's see. Oh, they're okay. They're a little steep though. So I don't know, this could be, I don't know, like a man's cave, a TV room down here. It could also be arts and crafts for the wife. There's some double doors that lead outside. I don't know what that little area is right there. But then back here is the real basement with all the fun stuff, the nooks and crannies, and we're not gonna go down there. Okay, so now we'll go back up these steps. Okay. This reminds me why I don't want to have a house with a basement. All right, we're gonna lock that up. Okay, and this is, once again, it is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. The total square footage on this house is 1852. Feels like it too. And it was built in 1938 and the price is $329,000. Not sure how many days on the market it's been. I did not take a look at that. But there you go. And this house is in Kannapolis, North Carolina. All right, this is the carport here. Shut that door. Carport. Almost certain the trailer does not come with the house. Although everything is for sale and it could probably be negotiated, right? Let's go up here and see what this is about. Oh, so you know what? This is really cute. Really, really cute. It's like a deck. Right, and it has the night light poles right there. And then you have one right there. And you can really do a lot with this space. I mean, you can have a nice little cookout, create a nice little cozy sitting area, and just hang out and chill, right? Okay. So that is that. Let me finish locking this door. We'll take a walk around the front and see what that's about. If I can get this open. Gotta scramble the numbers, right? Gotta scramble the numbers, okay. So we're gonna walk down, take you on a little journey here. Okay. And if you have never been to a country setting, this is what it looks like. This is Kannapolis, North Carolina. We have a really nice baseball field in our downtown area. So that's the door that I could not get open, right? See, it's pretty. It's a nice house on the outside. And then that's the door that leads to that other living space. The second living room, or the first formal living room, I'm gonna say. But yeah, it's a cute house. So I'd like to thank you guys for touring this house with me. This is Jacqueline Hicks, your local real estate expert. Bye for now.